After 25 years on the bench, how does one go from heavyweight liberal Supreme Court justice to popular rapper meme on the internet? Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, now better known as Notorious RBG, has been compared to the late rapper Notorious B.I.G. for her ferocious dissenting opinions on the bench. It's all part of the Notorious RBG exhibit at Skirball Center.
The majority of the Supreme Court gutted a major provision of the Voting Rights Act under a theory that racism no longer mattered and was over. Justice Ginsburg dissented in that opinion. I created this tribute to her. I think she's really worked so hard her entire career to see a world that is more equal, that is more just.
The Notorious RBG meme went viral, which led to a book by its two authors and then the exhibit. Here, viewers get a close-up look at how Ginsburg grew up, at her gnarly workout regimen, 20 push-ups at a time, at her struggle to finish law school and get a job at a time when women weren't hired for legal work, and her fight for women's rights and civil rights both during and before her Supreme Court nomination.
Before Ruth Bader Ginsburg became the co-founder of the ACLU Women's Rights Project and brought cases to the Supreme Court, it was completely legal for the federal government to discriminate against women. And by the time she was done, the Constitution considered women as equal people.
The exhibit is full of immersive environments like this one, where you can actually try on a robe similar to what Justice Ginsburg would wear, and she has a signature move. She wears these jabots or collars depending on whether she has a dissenting or a majority opinion, and this is her dissent collar. And voila, you too can become a Supreme Court justice for a moment.
It looks very different than your traditional history exhibition because we encourage you to touch and play and explore, and in some cases, physically try on things.
And tributes, so many tributes to Notorious RBG, even those that come from the skin of people's cheeks.
It's a tribute to the justice made with my own skin, my own cheek skin that I source from the inside of my mouth based on nervous cheek biting habit. And I make an image with the skin pigmented with tattoo inks.
As for her private life, she had a lifelong love affair with her husband, Marty, who died in 2010.
They were partners in life. You wanted Ruth to be able to pursue her dreams and her goals.
And Ginsburg has done just that as she continues to fight for equal rights for everyone. As for her rapper, Notorious RBG rep, she's grown to laugh and like it.